Kicking things off, Sutton Tools TCT Multi-Purpose Holesaws are your new best friend for flawless holes. Their tungsten carbide-tipped teeth rip through wood, MDF, and even tiles like butter. With sizes from 19mm to 152mm, no hole's too big or small. The quick-release arbor swaps sizes faster than you can say sawdust. Engineered for precision, they leave clean, splinter-free edges. Perfect for shelving or speaker cutouts, they're tough as nails. These hole saws laugh at hard materials. Add them to your arsenal for pro results. Your drill's about to get a serious upgrade. Next, the Hilti Nuron SCN 6022 cordless chainsaw is a cordless beast unleashed. Its 60-volt battery pumps out gas-level power with zero fumes. The 16-inch bar carves through oak like it's balsa. A brushless motor means longer life and less downtime. Safety features like the chain brake keep you in control. Ideal for milling slabs or chopping stock, it's a shop titan. The comfy grip makes long cuts a breeze. Cut anywhere, anytime, with no cords holding you back. This chainsaw's ready to dominate your projects. The Axminster wood-turning tool. Rest system is a lathe lover's dream. Its modular setup lets you swap rests for any turning job. Cast iron construction kills vibrations for silky smooth cuts. The quick lock adjusts in seconds, keeping your flow tight. It fits most lathes, so no compatibility headaches. Perfect for pens or big bowls, it ups your precision game. The polished rest glides your tools like a dream. Turners, this is your ticket to flawless spins. Get ready to craft some showstoppers. HeadLOK. Heavy-duty fasteners are the muscle your joints need. These screws drive into timber without pre-drilling, saving serious time. The spider drive head grips like a pit bull for quick installs. Built for decks or heavy frames, they laugh at shear forces. The flush head leaves a clean pro finish. Corrosion-resistant, they're outdoor-ready and tough. They're faster than lag bolts and just as strong. Your builds will stand like fortresses. Screw with unstoppable strength. Sutton Tools XP Bullet Jobber. Drill sets are drilling done right. These high-speed steel bits stay razor-sharp through dense hardwoods. The 135-degree split point nails accuracy without wandering. Metric or imperial, they've got every size you need. The XP coating cuts friction for cooler, longer-lasting bits. Perfect for joinery or cabinetry, they bore clean holes. The tough case keeps them shop-ready. Drill like a sniper with these bad boys. Pinpoint precision is yours. The Grizzly T32737 sliding crosscut attachment supercharges your table saw. It glides smoothly for crosscuts up to 48 inches wide. The adjustable fence locks in perfect angles every time. Lightweight aluminum build is tough yet easy to handle. Built-in stops make repeat cuts stupidly simple. Ideal for frames or big panels, it's a game changer. Fits most saws with zero fuss. Your table saw just became a crosscut king. Slice with surgical accuracy. Bessey S10 ST Mini Vice Clamp is your secret weapon for small jobs. Its 100mm capacity grips tight without budging. The cast iron frame takes a beating and stays steady. Compact enough for tight bench spaces, it's a detailer's dream. Perfect for carving or tiny assemblies, it holds like a vise. The Tommy bar tweaks fast and smooth. Rubber pads save your wood from scratches. This clamp's small size packs big power. Clamp with mini might. JessEm tool. Wood's Sabre marking gauge is layout perfection. Its wheel cutter scribes crisp lines that don't fade. The stainless steel shaft is built for a lifetime of accuracy. With a 6-inch reach, it marks any joint you throw at it. The ergonomic grip feels like an extension of your hand. Ideal for dovetails or tenons. It's a joinery must. The lock holds steady for repeat marks. Make every line count with this beauty. Mark like a master. Infinity Tools. Pro Router Table Package with Triton 314 HP router is routing royalty. The Triton's variable speed tames any bit you spin. The rock-solid table keeps cuts vibration-free. An adjustable fence nails alignment for flawless edges. Dust collection keeps your shop from looking like a sawdust storm. Perfect for molding or joinery, it's a shop cornerstone. The lift makes bit swaps a cinch. This setup screams professional results. Route like a boss. Co-Matic PD 80 Edgebanding Trimmer is your edge finishing MVP. Its dual blades trim veneer or PVC in one pass. Adjustable depth ensures perfect cuts on any banding thickness. Lightweight and grippy, it's comfy for long sessions. Perfect for cabinets or shelves, It delivers seamless edges. The blades stay sharp through countless trims. No more jagged or uneven banding woes. This trimmer's your shortcut to clean finishes. Edge with pro-level polish. Hettich Accura Multiblue drilling jig takes the guesswork out of hardware. It drills dead-on holes for hinges and slides every time. The lightweight plastic body is tough and easy to handle. Adjustable stops lock in perfect positioning fast. Included bits match standard hardware sizes. Ideal for kitchen cabinets or furniture, it's a time saver. The clear template makes setup a no-brainer. Drill with confidence and zero errors. Build cabinets like a factory pro. Infinity Tools adjustable drill depth. Stops are drilling's unsung heroes. They clamp tight to any bit for precise depth control. Steel construction means they'll outlast your projects. The knurled knob adjusts depth in a snap. Perfect for dowels or shelf pins, they stop blowouts. The set covers all common bit sizes. Metric or imperial, they've got you covered. Drill consistent, clean holes every time. Nail depth like a champ. Woodpeckers Juice Groove jig makes cutting boards pop. This aluminum jig carves perfect grooves for juice or crumbs. The adjustable fence fits boards up to 18 inches wide. No clamps needed, just a line and route. Ideal for butcher blocks or charcuterie boards, it adds flair. The included bit matches the groove for seamless cuts. Built to last, it's a shop heirloom. Your boards will steal the show. Groove with style. UJK Router Elevator 502701 is a router table game-changer. Adjust bit height from above with micro-fine precision. The smooth crank makes tweaks effortless and accurate. It fits most routers, so no compatibility drama. The aluminum plate stays rigid under heavy bits. Perfect for mortises or edge work, it's a precision king. Installs fast with no mods needed. Ditch under-table fumbling for good. Elevate your routing game. Woodpeckers SF Pro Universal Router. Table fence is precision on steroids. Its aluminum frame stays dead straight for perfect cuts. Adjustable scales dial in bit settings to the micron. Dust ports keep your shop cleaner than ever. T-Trax welcome jigs for ultimate versatility. Ideal for raised panels or trim, it's a pro's pick. Mounts easily to any router table. This fence is your ticket to flawless routing. Fence like a woodworking wizard. Co-Matic AFO2 RESAW feeder turns your bandsaw into a lumber mill. It feeds stock evenly for dead-straight RESAW cuts. Adjustable speed matches any blade or wood type. The beefy frame bolts down for rock-solid stability. Perfect for slicing veneer or boards. It's a workhorse. The pivoting arm handles wide stock with ease. Long sessions, it cuts fatigue, not corners. Your bandsaw just got a major upgrade. RESAW like a lumberjack. Rockler Square. It box. Squaring clamp is glue-up perfection. It locks corners at 90 degrees for flawless boxes. The aluminum frame is light but unyielding. Quick-release levers adjust in a heartbeat. Ideal for drawers or cabinets. It guarantees tight joints. Padded jaws keep your wood dent-free. Works with stock up to 1 inch thick. Square boxes are now a no-brainer. Glue up with dead square confidence. Finally, the INGCO stapler 3-in-1 nail gun with 600 staples is a fastening triple threat. It fires staples, brads, and pins with ease. Adjustable depth tackles any wood thickness like a pro. The ergonomic grip keeps you comfy on marathon jobs. Perfect for trim, crafts, or upholstery. It's a shop Swiss Army knife. The quick load magazine means no downtime. It comes with 600 staples to kick things off. Fasten smarter, not harder, with this gem. Staple your way to victory. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.